If you have no debt and $10 in your pocket, you have more wealth than 25% of Americans. Credit Suzy estimates that half the world has a net worth less than $3,200, and a lot of Americans can't make this cut because their net worth is negative. I'm Quinn Hancock with CNN Money, and I'm going to explain to you the importance of a financial education and why it should be mandatory in high schools across America. In past generations, cash was used for virtually every purchase. Today, cash is rarely used, and the way we shop has changed as well. Online shopping has become the top choice for many younger shoppers, creating ample opportunities to use and overextend credit. According to ConsolidatedCredit.org, the average credit card debt per house is $6,600, and the average interest rate on those credit cards is about 12.3%. So what does that mean? Let's say you have exactly the average credit card debt of $6,600. At a 12% interest rate, if you made only the minimum payments, which would be around $132, it would take you over 23 years to pay that back, and you'd pay over $6,100 in interest. But how would you know that if you've never had a financial education? And it doesn't just stop here. A financial education can better high schoolers' lives. It can teach them to manage credit cards debt, save for a house, and how to put money away for retirement. Imagine if all of our children could live the retirement they want because they put money away and didn't have to work until they died, or they could take vacations as an adult because they didn't have credit card debt. According to the Council for Economic Education's latest survey of the states, only 18 states require a personal finance class to be taken, and only 3 of those states require student testing. I understand that a lot of people think that high schoolers are too young to be thinking about this, but it's never too early to be financially responsible. Beginning in May of 2014, Oklahoma high school students must demonstrate an understanding of 14 money management concepts and pass a test to graduate. Unfortunately, the first Oklahoma class is still in college, so we won't be able to see the results for a few years, but I can bet they'll be beneficial. Dan Cadlick of Time.com says these students have a brighter future. Now, why can't we make all states require that? This is the most important thing we can teach our children, and we aren't even teaching it to the majority of high schoolers. All we need to do is require every state to offer a personal finance class and make students pass a test to graduate. This will give the students the right information they need to start off their adult lives right, and not be burdened by the chain of credit card debt for the rest of their lives. Personal credit card debt is one of the biggest problems Americans face today, and we can change it simply by making our high schoolers take one more class and pass one test. So please, let's make this a requirement so everyone can live a better life.